We all give for granted that when we're thinking, we're doing it with the head, the brain. And this is something that happens up here and that is quite disembodied, is not connected to what happens in the rest of the body. But in the Islamic thought, we tended to see things quite differently. And usually the concept that is referred to here is the qalb, or the spiritual heart. And this is, of course, not just the physical organ pumping blood, although this is connected. Al-Ghazali said that the qalb is a latifa rabbaniya, or a subtle divine essence which is within us. The Qur'an talks to us and tells us that our heart are a reasoning organ. We all know the verse that translation means it is not the eyes that are blind, but it is the hearts in the chest that grow blind. So the hearts are the ones that reasons. The hearts are the ones that grow blind. So the qalb is the place of perception and understanding. How does this change the way Islamic psychology sees thinking, for example? Well, quite a lot, because the word qalb in Arabic comes from a root meaning to turn, to change. And this points to the fact that this nature is very dynamic, is constantly turning. And so our heart, our thinking seat, either turns towards divine light or towards the distraction of the lower self. It is basically a battleground. And our aql, our rationality, is the crucial tool that we employ in this battle. And of course, there are many techniques, many subtleties, many sciences, and the understanding of how we think, how is our cognition, where to put attention in our cognitive, mental, and not just emotional and spiritual development are something that we can find in Islamic psychology since hundreds of years. In our diploma program, we go quite deeply in the nature of the qalb, and we will give practical and traditional tools like how does tafakkur, contemplation, work? How does muraqaba, vigilance, work? How does muhasaba, self-accountability, work? How should we employ those to know ourselves better and to be able to improve and have control of our own selves? So if you're ready to understand the thinking heart and cultivate a Qalb Salīm, a healthy heart, I invite you to apply. Places are limited and you'll find the link in the bio.